going to compare V6 and V8 engine. Both of them are popular type of V engine. However, each turn of cylinder, while there are 6 cylinders in V6, there are 8 cylinders in V8 engine. About characteristics, firstly, V8 engine is heavier and larger than V6 engine. Secondly, V8 is faster, more powerful, convenient, and reliable than V6. Thirdly, V8 consumes more fuel than V6. Regarding maintenance cost, the maintenance cost for V8 is higher than V6. Considering price, V8 is more expensive than V6. V6 engine is used for from and rear wheel drive car, and V8 engine is used for on or rear wheel drive car. V8 engine is used for sports car, longer SUV and trucks.